Good day everyone, Alex here. So this video is to teach you using Excel how to create an alphabet list using Excel. In my previous video, I've shared that for numbers, if you want to create a series using field handle, you can use this field series. And for month and weekdays, Excel already can recognize. If you do not want Excel to recognize it, what you can do is, if you want to repeat January in all these cells here, you can hold the Control key while you drag. So Excel will just copy and paste. Another option will be, after you drag, you click on this small icon, copy cell. So this is the one. But you will realize Excel cannot handle alphabet. Excel cannot handle alphabet. So if you have A, you drag, this it will handle. The reason why is I'm using a formula. So if you are not using a formula, you just type A, B, C. Even though with 3 datas, Excel will just keep on repeating ABC, ABC, and there's no option here for you to choose field series. So we have to create our own custom list so that Excel can recognize. If you want a quick way, you can just use this formula. Character, start with 65 for capital letter and start with capital 97 for small capital. So to quickly copy this, paste into the bottom, you can drag. Another faster way is you just point to the bottom right here until it shows a plus sign. You just double click. So it will show you up to the end of the number that have data. So now we want to do the same for the small capital. So now we have two lists of capital letter and small capital letter, but be careful, these are formulas. These are formulas, and we do not want the formulas. So now I want to copy paste the formulas, copy, and I want to paste it as value only. Okay, so now this become values only. I'll do the same, paste value only. Okay, this is how you can do it quickly. You can refer to my other videos on how to select and how to do copy paste quickly. So now we have two lists, and we need to tell Excel these are the new custom lists that we want Excel to remember. So you can first highlight the list with capital letter, go to File, Options, go to Advanced, scroll down until you see this section here, General, Edit Custom List. Click in. So you realize Excel already recognized days, month. Is because of in default Excel already created the list. So now we want to create a new list. So because I've just selected, so it already highlighted this list. I just click import. So now I have this list for capital, and I also want to import small capital. So actually in Excel it can recognize the small cap and the capital. So it's the same. So now we have this custom list done. So we can try it on a new file. Let's try this on a new file. So this is a new Excel worksheet. Let's try to type A, B, C in small capital and drag it. See does it work. See? So if you type capital letter, Excel very smart, it will match your capital letter. Okay, thanks for watching.